When I unloaded the strainer, I simply watched the metal dance with the wind, exchanging phrases of hate mail when not for revenge. I'm from the west side of Fresno, dipping on hydraulics. Eyes super tight from the chop, and apple chronic disappear like Marcus Garvey in the twomps, cause life is shitty. 38 and now I'm back on the scene, and hella gritty. It's been 18 years, now I'm back in my city, crucified by the nails of the jury and found guilty, reawakened like Lazarus in the city. You're seeing a warrior finally made it home from the pen. I gotta thank the big homie Rock from Lanes in Pasadena, held the hand of the son of God and made a gangster steady scientist of war, held the fluent in Swahili. I'm the spook that sat beside the door, reciting Huey, quoting high powered rage with a scope. Dropped the parrot from 600 yards when he spoke. Infrared on ghetto birds who love to speak with the feds. Eject the shell and mark the prince and left to play with the dead. We read the scratch line, refreshed on my tactics of war. While in the zone, shot the judge before I blew up his home. I want revenge night. Mares on how they murdered you, Rock. They killed the legend, your apprentice, cursed with bad blood too. I swear they finished. I pledged it on my young black seeds for all involved, vis-a-vis with the angel of death. Problem solved. Every CO in the desert to send a wanted man, cut off their hands, drill a hole and take a shit in their head. I'm on some zebra killing shit. Got me conjuring slaves. The Shaka Zulu blood run through my vein. Or King Jermaine, I'm from the land of Killer Tay, Planet Asia and Iki Woods, Marvin Fane, Young Lee, Agent Johnson, and Big Blood. Mookie from 107, Big Insane from the east. Nook from Feet White in the city that never sleeps. I'm from 2700 block across from the Twomps. Reversible clips that hang out the strainer when hoods funk. I'm the ghetto X Factor on the cover of Source in a bulletproof vest, beholding a pale horse. I'm a little soul arriving on the ark of prevention. Curse a split tongue, reverts backwards, burping the scriptures of fallen angels, dropped in hieroglyphic ink and designs. A second coming in a 12 by 7 sentence to life.